Okay, right, ma. So 1000 of micrometer is equal to 1 millimicrometer or nanometer. So 1 by 10th of nanometer is equal to 1 angstrom. 1 by 10th nanometer is equal to 1 angstrom, or 1 angstrom is equal to 1 by 10th nanometer. 1 nanometer is equal to 1000 of micrometers. 1 by 1000 micrometer is equal to 1 micron. Okay. So the next one, the bacteria is a generally 0.1 to 1.5 microns. The size of bacteria is what size of bacteria is 0.1 to 1.5 micron only. Micron in diameter. Micron diameter. And length is the 2 to 8 micron. 2 to 8 micron in length. So what is the size of bacteria? Size of bacteria is 0.1 to 1.5 micron in diameter. Length is a 2 to 8 micron in length. So these are the size is the denoted, the bacteria size denoted in the micron. 1 micron is equal to 1000 micrometers. 1000 micrometer is equal to 1 millimeter, and 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 10 nanometers. 1 by 10, sorry, 1 millimeter or 1 nanometer. 1 millimeter or 1 nanometer is equal to 1 by 10th of nanometer is equal to 1 angstrom. Size of bacteria is a 0.1 to 1.5 micron in diameter, and length is a 2 to 8 micron in length. So this is about size and shape. So in morphology you study about the size and shape is over. The next one, study about the arrangements. What is the motility and what is the arrangement of the bacteria. So next one is the study about arrangements. So depends upon the arrangement of the bacterial cells, identify the bacteria. So for example, the bacteria is divided by the binary fission method only. Is divided, one bacteria is divided into two bacteria. One bacteria is divided into two bacteria by the binary fission. By binary fission. By binary fission, if the bacteria is divided into one bacteria into two bacteria. So in here, arrangement of the bacteria. First one is the cocci that divided in one plane and arrange themselves in pair. Cocci in the arrangements in Staphylococcus, Streptococci, and different cocci are there. So first one is the cocci is divided in one plane. Divided in one plane, divided into one plane, and arrange as a arrange as themselves in a pairs. Arrange as a pairs. Divided into one plane, arrange as a one pair. Example is the diplococci. Diplococci. Example is the diplococci. So what is the diplococci structure? So diplococci structure means this is the diplococci structure. Is the one plane, is divided into one plane, but it is a formation is as a one pair only, one pair. So this is the structure of the diplococci. And the second one is the cocci divided into one plane and arrange as the in the form of chain only. It's a divided by one plane only. Its one is also one plane, but arrange as a chain form. This is a this one is a pair in form. It one is a chain form. So example, what is the example? Example is a streptococci. Streptococci. What is the streptococci structure? What is the streptococci structure means? So this is a streptococci structure. This is the streptococci structure. So the next one, third one is cocci that divided alternatively into two planes. It's a divided by it's a divided by alternatively. alternatively, and arrange as a into alternatively in two planes, arrange as a arrange as themselves irregular pattern, or the arrange as a themselves group of four tetraeds. It is a arrange as a group of tetraid group of tetraeds you do group of tetraeds, groups of eight groups, up to eight groups. So they divided by the alternatively one by one, and the next one into two planes, alternatively into two planes, arrange as a group of tetraeds. So means what is the example of this particular third one? Is the example is known as a octets. Example is the octets. So what is the octets structure? Octets. So what is the octet structure? Into two planes means four is the upper side and four is the downside. Four is upper side and four is the downside. So four is the upper side and four is the downside of the structure. So four is the outer plane, inner plane is containing the four. Totally eight are presented in the two planes. One plane is the one side, one plane is the one side. Each one plane containing the four bacteria are presented in this plane. So the next one, fourth one is the coca is divided into many planes. The coca is divided into many planes. Coca is divided into many planes, and then coca is divided into many planes, and as well as and arrange themselves in the irregular pattern, and arrange as a irregular irregular pattern, arrange as a irregular pattern, and it gives a appearance look like a, it gives a appearance look like a appearance looking like a branch of the grapes, are like a bunch of a grapes, a number of grapes. What is the structure? So this is the structure of the. So this is example. What is the example of this particular classification? Staphylococcus. Staphylococcus. So the staphylococcus is many. It divided into many planes and arranged as a irregular pattern. It is looking like a bunch of grapes. So example is the staphylococcus. And the next one is the bacilli divided only across their short axis. Across their short axis. Bacilli. Bacilli is also one of the bacteria. Bacilli divided into only across their short axis. Across their short axis. Across their short axis, and bacilli arrange at the end of the chains only. End of the chains, arrange as a end of chain. End of chain. Example is the streptobacilli. 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 So what is the streptobacilli structure? What is the streptobacilli structure means? It is divided into offshoot. One is a compulsory arrange as the end of them chain. So each one is added one by one, one by one is a one plane only. So this one is example for the streptobacilli structure, and the bacilli divided into only across the one chain. And the next one, after division of the bacilli attached to attached to other giving appearance like a V and L letters. This pattern is known as a chain letter arrangement of the bacteria. So these are the some bacteria are arranged as a some bacteria after division. In case of the in this particular category also, after division after division of bacteria after division of bacteria and arrange as a V shape or V shape or L shaped bacteria. So the V shape and L shaped bacteria, so like this one structure. So this one structure. So these are the Chinese letter arrangements. Example is a Chinese letter arrangements. Chinese letter Chinese letter arrangements. So this is about this is about classification, shape and morphology, arrangement, size of the bacteria. Any doubts from this topic? Any doubts, ma? Anybody? All of you, please unmute your audios and videos.